Get a feel for the 2020 Honda Passport. With less than 40,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Presenting the Honda Passport, the midsize crossover with all the features you need to make your outdoor adventures fun and comfortable. With seating for 5, plenty of cargo space, flexible cabin configurations, smart tech, towing ability, and optional all-wheel drive, this innovative vehicle has your back. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, pre-collision system, keyless entry, moonroof, power passenger seat, heated mirrors, fog lamps, lane keeping assist, power liftgate, satellite radio. Feel confident and comfortable on every excursion in the clever and versatile Passport. We can put you in the driver's seat today.